In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates with meeting agendas and action items. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use meeting hub that helps you plan agendas, capture decisions, and track action items without missing a beat. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in. From the main screen, look for the Create button and click it. This opens the creation panel where you can start from scratch or use a pre-built option. Instead of building a sheet manually, choose View All Templates to see Smartsheet's gallery. In the search bar, type Meeting to narrow the results. You'll see several options, but the one we want is called Meeting Management. It bundles a clean agenda layout with a structured action item tracker, so your planning and follow-up live in the same place. Preview it if you like, then select Create from Template. Smartsheet will add a new sheet to your account based on that template. Now, customize it so it fits your team. Rename the sheet to match your project or recurring meeting. In the agenda section, tailor the topics you tend to cover and add time estimates so you can keep the meeting on track. If your meetings always include updates, decisions, and parking lot items, go ahead and add those rows in advance to save setup time. Next, fine-tune the action items area. Make sure you have columns for the task name, owner, due date, priority, and status. Converting status and priority to drop-down lists keeps entries consistent and makes filtering easier later. A checkbox column for completed tasks is also useful for quick scanning. If you want clearer accountability, add a notes or decision column to capture the why behind each action. To make follow-up effortless, consider light formatting and simple rules. For example, add conditional formatting to highlight overdue items in red or bold rows due this week. Freeze the header row so column titles stay visible as you scroll. Filters are helpful too. Create a filter to show only open items or items assigned to a specific owner so each person can see what's on their plate. Before a meeting, fill out topics and time estimates. During the meeting, capture decisions directly in the sheet and immediately create action items with owners and deadlines. After the meeting, review the action items list, update statuses, and sort by due date to focus on what's next. And that's it. You went to Smartsheet, chose Create, viewed all templates, searched Meeting, selected Meeting Management, created from the template, and customized it to fit your workflow. You now have a simple, repeatable system to run efficient meetings and ensure every action item is tracked to completion.